Hello everyone, quick update on our Volvo P1800. We've fitted all our panels on the exterior and we know they line up. We're using aftermarket factory front end with the original guards. We can't ultimately line up every panel. So what we've done is we've made our own firewall. This allows us to suit the panels properly and we can take up any discrepancy as we make the panel itself. They can be a little bit tricky to make. There's lots of different shapes and sizes to take into consideration. We have to make them fit perfectly. Otherwise, none of the other panels will fit round it. So we take our time at this point and we get it right so we can get it done properly. We're starting to lay out the interior. Looks a little bit premature, but when you get boxes of parts, you don't know what's missing and you don't know where things go. So what we're doing is we're starting to lay the interior in. We'll get a feel for how it goes. So some of our boards need to be replaced. These are the backing for the leather. We're laying it all out now because our internal bodywork has all been finished off. We can get all our gaps set straight. That way we can carry on working on the car and we can send parts off to the trimmers at the same time. So there'll be a clip coming in here and there'll be a clip coming in there that we'll have to find and source. We're going to be sealing behind the guards and the front guards, and that way everything will be painted and then we can put our outer guards on. So we're going to be putting all the inside of the framework into epoxy, stop it going rusty, protect it for years to come, start getting her into paint. Now we have it in epoxy. We've got it all sealed up, especially the areas that we're going to be covering with our guards. These are all going on next. We've cleaned it all down. We're now checking our alignment. We'll be finalising all our measurements to get the guards on really nicely. The whole front end will be next as well. Now we haven't just laid in some paper onto the back. This is actually a template for the rear carpet. We don't have the original carpet, so we need to know where it's going to go. Also, it's important when you're repairing a car, panels might move a little bit, and we're after the perfect fitting carpet throughout the whole vehicle. So by making a nice fresh template, matching it to all our corners, making our gaps right, our carpet will be finished beautifully. We're actually just finishing off a bit of the headlining, the original wooden frame that's gone in. We're jigsawing that back together because it's all broken like everything else. And we'll be making a new frame. That's the last piece of this interior jigsaw puzzle to be done. So we have our headlining frame in. Now, it is all broken, but we need to make sure all the holes line up. We need to see how it all fits together as well. So our old panel, we mark off where it's finished, so when we make our new panelling, we can match it up perfectly. So we have a bit of bog going on the boot floor itself. Now this is an original panel and it's nice to keep it because it keeps the original car. So we're having to put a little bit of bog onto it just to even out the undulations. You can't hammer out every single last dent, otherwise you'll be here forever. Like I said before, now is the time to address these issues while you've got all your panelling off. And then we can start refitting all our guards, our doors. We'll finish off all here, we'll get all the back on. We'll get it all tidied off and we'll get it done. And don't forget, if you want to see more of this car, like and subscribe.